Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm here in my front porch and I'll be updating my fall containers and also doing a little bit of decoration for fall. So a couple of weeks back I decided to harvest my kale, well not harvest it, just pull it and use it as decoration in my containers, and I loved the way it looked. I had a few containers of that with kale. But now, unfortunately, it's full of white flies and caterpillars, and I just don't want to have it here anymore. So I'm going to be using the Star Rush white top grass that you see here, and also the blue headers that I also got from another spot in my garden. And I'll be pulling out the kale and just making a new arrangement for fall. So we also use this part of the front porch as a carport, and that is where I park my car most of the time. However, there's enough light coming in, and for these plants, that shouldn't be a worry. Also, with the exception of the Cholecephalus, all of these plants are perennials in my zone, and they are cold weather loving plants. I went down the road to just get some pampas grass blooms from my neighbor, because I do think that the containers could use some height. So not too bad. I think the pampas grass adds so much height and volume to the whole arrangement, but let's see how everything looks like once we add the pumpkins. Beautiful. I really love how it looks. It's quite simple, but it highlights this corner really well, so I'm happy with that. Most of the pumpkins here I got from the farmers market. I visited the farmers market yesterday and I'm so glad that I did, because I discovered so many new varieties, and I'm really looking forward to tasting most of them and saving some of the seeds for next season. So now let's take a closer look at the arrangements that we have here. So in this first container we have the pampas grass blooms, and then we have the Star Rush white top, the blue headers, and the pumpkins that you see here are those that I grew in my own garden. I think this arrangement looks really good. I like this grass. I've never had it before, but I just like the fact that it has that white top that goes so well with the blue headers and the evergreen that is dropping from the container. And that pampas grass just adds some volume to the whole arrangement. So I'm very happy with that. In this second container, I only replaced the centerpiece. I took out the blue headers and put in the pink or red, the Erica gracilis that you see in the middle. I don't know, I cannot pronounce the name, but I'll put it on the screen and you can read it for yourself. However, I think the contrast of those pink to red flowers together with the pampas grass blooms and the rest of the plant, I think they really come together pretty nicely. And it also looks really nice. I like that I have a variety of different containers. So yeah, really happy with that. In this last container, I just doubled the amount of blue headers that I use, but other than that, it's the same plants that I have as in the first container. So that was it. I hope you like the container arrangements. Please let me know in the comment box. I'm really happy with how they look. I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.